Now, if you have been following our channels, you'd have seen at the back end of last year, we visited Hurco and took a look at one of their new COBOT offerings. I spoke with David Waghorn as this particular unit was also going to be on show at MACH 2020.
Yes, it's actually a product range, if you like. Hurco bought a business called Pro Cobots, based in Pittsburgh in the USA, and we've really taken, now they do full automation solutions for all sorts of machinery, but the idea was to use their knowledge to integrate it into a solution for Hurco machines. So the idea is that we could. I mean, there's lots of robots and automation options on the market. The idea was to get something that would be a kind of seamless integration with the Hurco machine. So once it's plugged in, the operation of the automation would appear on the machine control, and it would allow you very simple and easy way of operating automation or not, as you choose on your Hurco machine.
Now it's quite a compact unit. I know you say there's various models, but the one we saw last year was pretty compact, pretty easy to manoeuvre around. It's going to be quite attractive to businesses that you know maybe want to move this from machine to machine. Is that possible?
Yes, certainly. The product I think we showed at the open house, and the one we plan to show at MACH was a product called the Pro Feeder. And that fits more of our sort of standard machines, both the vertical machining centers and the lathes. Yeah, and it's a nice, as you say, it's compact. It's relatively low cost compared with most of the automation solutions on the market. And it's easy to use as well, which is the big attraction. So that would plug straight into your Hurco machine and could be moved from one Hurco machine to another.
Now, I think automation's a big thing, isn't it, at the moment? Certainly with what's currently happening. Kind of, you know, we certainly see in companies, in fact, some of your customers that have got automation on their machines operating in these difficult times because they don't need that manual intervention. Do you think this is a big shift and going to be even bigger now going forward for the UK industry?
Yeah, I think what's obviously gone on in the last few months will probably push it even further in this direction. But we felt there was a sort of wave coming anyway, where the integration of the robots has got a lot easier. The cost of buying them has got a lot more accessible, and also I think a lot of people are beginning to understand the benefits. Certainly our experience with the universal robot that we have fitted to our system is they're incredibly reliable, and so when you make an investment like this, it easily lasts 10 years, and your cost is similar to the cost of an employee for 1 year.